guys, I have chosen one from the brand Dolce & Gabbana. So I'll show you. मैं उसको दिखाऊंगा आपको. So I bought it for like 22,000. Guys, हम लोग रेडी हो गए. मौसी भी रेडी और मिस्टर मार्लिन के साथ. तो चलिए, we'll go downstairs to take out the car. Guys, दिल्ली में पार्किंग का तो काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम है यार. पार्किंग से निकालना ही it's a bit of challenge. Guys, parking, you can check it out. It's really tough and गाड़ी यहाँ पे रखा है. So we're gonna open this and we're gonna take out the car. So guys, check it out. सीधा निकालते ही I have to take a sharp right turn and that's the main highway. So guys, gate तो खोल दिया मैंने. अब now I'm trying to enter into the car, which is a hell lot of task, man. तो finally अंदर पहुंच चुके हैं क्योंकि काफी नैरो था तो मैंने बहुत मशक्कत करा अंदर जाने के लिए. So let's quickly start the vehicle and let's move towards वसंत कुंज. So it's very hot. Let's switch on the AC and put it in the drive mode. हमारे अरुणाचल में रास्ते पे सो जाना था. देखो ये लोग कितना ट्रैफिक रूल फॉलो करके जा रहे हैं. सब एक ही लेन में एक ही लेन में जा रहा है. देखो कितना बढ़िया सा है. So guys, हमारा सिग्नल. ओहो, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. We are gonna block again the signal. Okay. We have just arrived here at the Vasant Kunj Mall, and that is the ambience. So we're gonna lock the car now. Ta-da! So let's go, and we are here at D221. So you have to remember all your parking tag because if not, you will get lost. Like some months back. I just lost the car because parking ऐसा कर दिया कि मेरे को याद ही नहीं रखा कौन सा जगह रख दिया. So let's quickly go towards the escalators. So we are under the Vasant Kunj Mall, Ambience Mall, and there comes the group, the family. Chalo, let's go towards the other mall. So we are going to the. This is Ambience Mall, and we'll be going to DLF Mall there. So that's the exit for the other mall. So guys, generally यहाँ पे पूरा शॉप वगैरह रहता है, बट अभी तो सवेरे है तो खाली है, पूरा खाली पड़ा हुआ है. And guys, you guys wanna say something?
Hi, now we have reached here. Gonna go for shopping.
मौसी तो पूरा बिजी है. मौसी का साथ में ये लल्ला पर सो रहा है यार. Hello, can I have this lemonade? You have watermelon? Okay. You can see me, sir. I'm not madam. Hey, you guys wanna have watermelon?
Yeah, I'll have.
Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon.
Yeah, lemonade.
So we are under the Vasant Kunj Mall and looking for the Zara. So कल हम लोग Zara का पूरा शॉपिंग नहीं कर पाए थे because of like सिस्टर का बेबी रो रहा था. So we went early. So आज हम लोग जाएंगे Zara में. So let's go. Cheers. यो लगा भी कब तू ना. So guys, today is Marlene's shopping day. So हम लोगों ने ये चूज किया शू उसके लिए. Oh, अच्छा. This is really pretty.
This is the bottom.
Bit tired. I'm sitting. Just check out. Shopping चल रहा है वहाँ पे.
It looks very small, no? So ठीक है, okay.
But then.
This is a 6 to 9.
Okay, you just give us 6 to 9. We'll be fine.
Now he over kind of कौन सा? No,
Okay, check it out if you want. So just got his new cap.
Those shoes वो सब बोल रहे.
So काफी ले लिया बेबी का. बेबी शॉपिंग डे today. So that's the bill getting prepared. Zara. Let's go. Guys, there are lots of perfumes you can check out in the Zara store. I have just came out of the fitting room and I have chosen this pants and some shirts, t-shirts. So that's the cash counter there. Guys, tada, my shopping is done. So I'm going to the down floor towards the women's section because my sisters, they are there. So guys, here they have a automatic self-case counter, so you can put all of the stuff you are buying and you'll get this kind of tag there. So my total bill is 18,000. So guys, the transactions is done. So we'll be removing this tag now. Done. You open this one. This main pin. Open the pin. We are here at the Costa Coffee there. So my coffee is being prepared and I'm having one Bombay sandwich. So guys, check out, that's my Bombay sandwich. Coffee is coming. So guys, I have purchased one coffee frothing machine. I will just show you. So it looks like this. So we have to lift this up and down so that it froths the coffee. So I've chosen one. And there comes my order. So guys, there comes my coffee. So actually I'm a lactose intolerant, so I'm having this Americano black coffee. Here comes my coffee machine. Yes, you can please tell me.
So sir, it's a French press. So you have to pour hot milk in this and then put it inside and do it like this.
Okay.
So it will make froth for your coffee. So you can try that.
Okay.
And I'm sure that you will next time take out more months also.
Yeah, sure. Next time I'll purchase.
So this is a small from.
Thank you. So I have got a new subscriber here. Hello.
Hello.
What's your good name?
Shimoli.
Simoli. Yes. Do visit Costa Coffee, right?
Yes sir.
Costa Coffee here at the Ambience Mall.
DLF Promenade.
Oh, DLF Promenade Mall. Okay. So guys, after the shopping here at the DLF Promenade Mall, now we are heading towards the other mall that is Ambience. So let's go. So guys, pura full gang shopping. So guys, we are now here at the Lens Crafters. You can check out, there are lots of nice brands, Dolce & Gabbana. So I have chosen one from the brand Dolce & Gabbana. So I'll show you. मैं उसको दिखाऊंगा आपको. So I bought it for like 22,000. This is the fresh piece, right? This one, no? Oh, that's the cover. Okay, so this is the cover. So, the billing is done now. So guys, shopping is done. I got this from the Lens Crafter, Dolce & Gabbana. I already said we got the international warranty
This is
for
for Dad.
package and all. Dad ka gift.
Wow, look at it. The packing is so nice.
So guys, we are under the Uniqlo store and I'll just show you what I have just purchased. Guys, so guys, check out, this is how the fitting is. Check out this cap, this is very unique and I really liked it. So guys, right now we are going to the Hamleys Toys to purchase some gift for Mr. Marvin. So let's go.
Let's go.
So guys, you can check out, I have got 2 Legos for Mr. Marvin. Guys, check out this awesome frog. These screens.
मेरा मतलब कि जो मतलब blue one I have glass.
So the bill from the counter now and let's go. So guys, this is Paul and it has lots of nice bakery items you can check out. And I'm trying that gluten-free cheesecake. So guys, finally after the shopping, munching time, so we are here at the food court. To my backside you can check out, there are lots of options you can try. So guys, we are here at the food court and we have ordered from that is Clean Express. To my backside you can check out the Clean Express, that side, yeah, and it was really tasty. The momos are. So guys, अभी हम लोग घर पहुंच चुके हैं मॉल से and बच्चे लोगों के लिए we have just ordered the pizza from the Pizza Hut. Ta-da! तो कौन कौन खुश है जल्दी बताओ। खुश है ना सब? गुड। चलो अभी खोलो पिज्जा, खोलो खोलो खोलो, यस तुम खोलो खोलो। ये टेस्ट करने के लिए है ये वाला, और बाकी जो है तुम लोग देख लो। दिस इज द पिज्जा, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज चिकन सॉसेजेस। चलो अभी तुम लोग खाओ।
मिर्ची वाला खाएगा?
मिर्ची वाला खाएगा, मार्विन मिर्ची खाता है। हाँ मैं होगा मिर्ची वाला ही खा, तुमको जो पसंद है। देखो जीजू निकाल देगा जल्दी, सबको दूंगा। और पहले ये बताओ खा के कैसा लगा, खाओ जल्दी टेस्ट करो और बताओ रिव्यूज। यस्सु तुमने कुछ नहीं बोला। हे
कैसा लग रहा है बता, वो बन रहा है।
कैसा लग रहा है? नाइस। मार्विन कैसा लगा? टेस्टी है, खाओ। So guys, thank you for watching this vlog and if you like this video do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. आप लोग भी बोल दो, सभी सब्सक्राइब कर दो बोल के। ये तो सभी सब्सक्राइब कर देना। जीजू गुड नाइट, बाय बाय।
Good night, bye bye.
बाय बाय।